how to turn off sound effects in Bluey. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and in this video I'm gonna show you the simple way to turn off the sound effects in Bluey Let's Play game so that you can play the game in silence whenever needed. First things first, launch open the Bluey Let's Play game on your device. Once you're inside this menu, go to the top left corner and tap the gear button. To access the settings menu, you'll need to type down the numbers that has been listed at the top. Type in the number that you've seen, and after typing it down, you'll be able to open the settings and info section. From the page, scroll down and look for the sound effects button. To turn off sound effect, toggle off the button right next to sound effect, and doing this will mute the sound effect in the game. If you also want to turn off the music, you can go to the music option and turn the button off. Once you turn this to off, you'll not hear any in-game sounds in Bluey Let's Play game. So that is how it's super easily done. After turning off music and sound effects, you'll be able to turn off music and sound effect, but you might still hear the voiceovers. To turn the voiceover off, toggle off the button right next to voiceover as well, and once you have these three turned off, you'll not hear any in-game music in Bluey Let's Play. So leave these buttons turned off so that you can play the game and enjoy it in silence. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.